Okay, I'm going to type in January 2020. Crap, why did it do that? Okay, in this video, I'm going to cover how to prevent this with auto formats from happening. My name is Neil. I'm the author of Creation, The Path of a God on Creation Web Novel Studio. And I'm just making this video because I get this question a lot of how to prevent this, where you see here where it says January 20, or up here where it says 1/20/2020, and how to prevent that from happening. So the reason why it's doing this is because it's seeing it as custom, and it's probably had been set as general. So what you see up here that I'm highlighting. And so to prevent that from happening, I'm going to click on B4, and I'm going to select text. And now when I type in it just stays like that. And if I want it to fit, I just go from between B and C. You see how it has the arrow when it's highlighting a column, and then when it's between, it changes to this. I'm just going to double click, and then it correctly does to the right size. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you need help with any other Excel issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and if I know how to do it, I'll make a video on it. Make sure to like and share if you want to support this channel, and then subscribe. If you check out my channel, I have a bunch of my videos of my web novel series, and then if people like this type of video, I'll probably include a section in my channel where I just help out with random computer issues. And feel free to share with friends who also have this Excel issue, and if they have any Excel questions, encourage them to leave a comment on this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.